When talking about gimbal moves, there are some great creative ways to use your gimbal in the process of filmmaking and make your shots stand out from the mess. Welcome back, I am Mauro and this is a creative tutorial on how to use your gimbal to level up your production. If you want to find out more about gimbals and gimbal comparisons, I made a complete list of my past YouTube videos in the link in the description and you can learn all about gimbal filmmaking. Today we were using the MOZA Air 2 3-axis gimbal that we believe is one of the best heavyweight 3-axis gimbals out there, with really great expansion options and excellent integrated follow focus eye focus system. For some more creative control of our shots, we use the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K camera with the Tilta camera cage, Sigma 18-35mm with speed booster and the filter, extension rod with the MOZA eye focus system, showing you the true potential of this setup. The first creative way to use your gimbal is to actually add some wheels. Not to your gimbal, but to your legs. We all know that for faster moves you will need actually to run and will not able to make a perfect catwalk to stabilize your footage. A Segway style two-wheel machine can be the perfect way to add faster movements in your filming style. Let's have a wheelie look. Another creative way is to make fast pans from left to right using the sport mode on the MOZA Air 2. Swiping left to right in sport mode, it could be really useful for some actual music spots. Change your position from A to B and add a little blur in post, your footage will look really awesome. Let's have a look. The MOZA Air 2 is also in Inception mode ready. Just press 3 times the function button on your handle. You will be able to make infinite barrel rolls, actually adjusting the speed of a roll on the menu settings, so you can only concentrate to the actual move. Passing through objects will make your footage stand out from the mess. Another great way is to make cinematic orbiting shots around a subject or person. It will establish a character and a scene. One of my favorite shots are the circular reveal shots. For this shot, the best way is to use a wide-angle lens, just like one we were using on my Sony a7 III, the 16-35 f4. You want a great panorama reveal of the whole scene. Let's watch my reveal shot. Bonus tip: low to high angle shots are a great add-on to your creative filming curve. There you go, some really great fast tips for your 3-axis gimbal. Thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bearing icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.